Weber just recalled over 3 million items. It's their first recall since 2007, and you might have one of those items at your house. I've got 2 of them. If you have a Weber grill brush with metal bristles and you've bought it in the last 15 years, you should probably stop using it. Here are a couple examples that are impacted by the recall. I'm also showing some images of a few others that you might have at your house. It's no secret that grill brushes can lose their bristles over time, and the CPSC reported that Weber found at least 38 cases where their brushes had lost their bristles, and 4 of those sought medical help. I've done a bunch of testing of grill brushes, and I found that the ones that have plastic heads with the bristles stuck in that kind of look like your uncle's bad hair transplant are the absolute worst. Even brand new out of the box, it's really easy to pull those bristles straight out. And these ones from Weber actually tested a lot better, where it was very difficult to be able to pull the bristles out from this twisted wire. It held them in much, much tighter. That's also one of the reasons why I suggest to people that if they're using a brush like this, that they should replace it as soon as it shows any signs of wear, and they should do it at least every year or 2. If you look at my grill brush, it is definitely over 2 years old. I probably should have tossed it a long time ago, and I'm betting there are a lot of other people that are in the same situation where they've kept their brushes way too long. Most of the data that I found in the past shows that grill brush injuries are way less common than grill fires. Every year in the United States, there's about 10,000 grill fires that cause property damage. Some of those also cause injuries. So in the big scheme of things, grill brushes aren't as bad as carelessness with a fire on your grill. That said, I've had a lot of people leave comments on my videos saying that they personally had problems with grill brushes and the bristles coming out. So I'm not totally surprised by the recall. And if Weber's taking these steps with their grill brushes, I really wonder what other manufacturers are going to do, because they all have the same problem. So what is Weber going to do for this recall? Now, I've linked down in the description to a form that'll start a conversation between you and Weber, where you will send them pictures of the item. They'll approve and verify that that is in fact a Weber grill brush that is impacted by the recall, and then you promise to dispose of that grill brush and never use it again. If you do that, they'll send you one of the cold nylon brushes that they have as a replacement. And the only challenge with a nylon brush is you have to do it when the grill is cold, and it makes it a lot harder in order to be able to clean it. Any of the ones that I've tested like that haven't worked well. But I just ordered one of them, and it'll be here tomorrow. If that's something that you want to see a side-by-side test from the old grill brushes and the new nylon ones, let me know. And if you're looking for a grill brush that completely avoids this risk but actually works, check out this video where I review the Smarter Scrubber. It's the first non-bristled brush that I've really liked.